Adapting, isn't it? Natasha, the weekend is almost here.
Yes, right around the corner, and it's full of more rain. That's right. So enjoy that. We do actually need more rain. We're behind in our seasonal rainfall totals as well as our month-to-date totals. So we'll see more of that continue through the weekend, and temperatures, your daytime highs are going to be below normal. Mountain passes, yeah, you'll start to see some snow accumulate starting tomorrow. Right now we're seeing it fly around here. Mount Hood Meadows, wind gusts there upwards of 35 to 40 miles per hour. Your current freezing level is right around about 4,500 feet or so. We're going to see that pretty much stick with the line right here, which represents your mountain passes at 4,000 feet. We'll see it briefly dip down below that line as soon as we get to Monday night with some colder air on the way. So snow accumulations on the roadways, most of that happening tomorrow. It'll only be about 1 inch, maybe 2 inches at the most. But it's above the tree line where we could see something closer to 6, maybe even 10 inches of snow. Now over to Portland, and we can see that south wind continues. It'll get a little bit gustier though tomorrow morning. Right now we have 48 degrees. Wind is out of the south at 7 miles per hour. Your dew point at 42. And here's the rest of tonight. Notice the theme. Your temperature really doesn't change. We had this cloud coverage is going to kind of act as a blanket and trap any heat that would normally be able to escape during a clear night. So not much of a change for our temperatures, and the rain kind of on and off continues. Right now we have 45 degrees for you in Bend with mostly cloudy skies. Over to Pendleton 51, Astoria 48, seeing that rain, as well as Newport with a temperature of 46. So rolling into tomorrow, what do we expect here? Well, yeah, more of that rain, and wind again picks up for you, especially in the morning to early afternoon. Out of the south, anywhere from 15 to 20 miles per hour possible. Your temperatures will eventually get into the lower 50s as soon as we get to your noon hour. So let's take a look at your big map here. Noticing at first, eastern Oregon, central Oregon, you're going to be pretty dry to start off. But as soon as we get to Saturday night, then all that wet weather starts to roll into your neighborhood. And then we'll see snow levels right around 4,000 feet for the next couple of days. Noticing the coast, you're all about the rain. We'll start to see some better breaks in the moisture right around Salem over to Eugene right here at the south end of the valley, rolling into Sunday. But then we get past Sunday, Monday and Tuesday, some more rain on the way. In fact, Tuesday, we might even be talking about thunderstorms as a possibility. And then we get to Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and it looks as though, at least at this point, a ridge of high pressure might be able to take over and give us some dry time. How much rain could we possibly see, though? Oh, over the course of the next 2.5 days, possibly closer to an inch, maybe just a little bit shy of that, right around 6/10 of an inch for you, Portland. Anywhere from 1.5 inches to 2 inches along the coast possible. Hood River looking at right around 1/4. Madras and Bend in the Dalles, not expecting really much more than 1/10. Pendleton, you might be able to pick up right around 1/4 of an inch overall. Temperatures tomorrow at the coast will be in the low 50s. Inland Valley temperatures tomorrow morning, not much of a difference between our morning temperature and our daytime high. Starting off right around 47 in Portland, ending up with a high of 53. Central Oregon temperatures will be in the upper 30s, daytime highs mid to upper 50s. Again, it's going to take a little bit of time before that moisture starts to walk into your neighborhood. Pendleton, a high of 60 in the Gorge. We're going to start off in the low 40s. Hood River, a high of 55, and Government Camp up to 42. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Notice the theme from tomorrow all the way through Tuesday. It's all about the rain and temperatures right there in the low to mid 50s. But then as soon as we get to Wednesday, it looks very different. Partly cloudy and a little bit of a warm up on the way Thursday and Friday, up to about 60 degrees. KOIN 6 News, we'll be right back.